thought I would show you guys something that I kind of fell in love with, kind of blew my mind, kind of changed my life. Let's talk about the Flex company. I'll walk you guys through my very first time using it and then follow up with some final thoughts. In effort to try to find things that are more green and have less waste. Now these are not reusable, but it definitely cuts back on the waste I was using going through pads and tampons. It comes in a box like this. You get your box of discs and they come, the subscription you can choose like light, moderate, or heavy. This one comes with 8, which I think that's supposed to be typical for like a moderate period type of thing. I won't go through all of that with you. So I'll give you guys my review on my first time using it. Guys, alright, so I am headed to the beach today, but unfortunately I just started my cycle. However, I recently got in the mail my very first box from the Flex company, and I'm going to try it out, so I thought I'd give you guys my first impressions. So I literally haven't taken it out of the box. I want to do it with y'all. So it has a little pamphlet explaining about the product, all the details, images on how to insert it and how to remove it. So it's been a struggle for me after having my second baby. Tampons are super uncomfortable for me to use, and who likes pads, right? So I am really hopeful that this is going to be a good option, since it's doctor recommended, made without natural rubber latex and hypoallergen. So this has 8, and you can wear these safely for up to 12 hours. No rubber latex, BPA, or phthalates, so one size fits all. Right, guys? I am going to try this out for the beach today, and I will come back and let you guys know how I feel about it. So they're individually packaged. So I imagine this is supposed to be a week supply, I believe. I'll open this up with you guys. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's about the size of the top of like a soda can. And it's really, this film is super, super light, like almost like saran wrap light. And it's really bendy. I'm really nervous to put this in. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. I'm gonna go to the beach and let you guys know what I think. If you guys have tried anything like this, I also have it's like a Diva cup, but it's by the company OI, Organic Initiative, which I love the brand. I love what they stand for. I love how clean they are. Again, though, tampons are not comfortable for me at this point, and I'm trying to find a solution for pads. So wish me luck. I'll see you guys later. Alright, it was actually not that tricky to insert if you use something like a Diva cup before. I have it in, not sure how well I have it in, we'll see as the day goes on, but I'm really stoked because I can't really feel it. I'm super comfortable, which is a huge big deal because everything has been uncomfortable, the cup, tampons, and that sort of thing. So, give you an update later today. Alright guys, it's day 1 of using the Flex cup and it was incredible. I'm in love. Granted, it's just the first day, but I put it in about 9 a.m. I took it out about 7 because I wanted to make sure I was actually having my period because there was no leakage, no mess. I went to the beach, I went swimming. I didn't feel a thing. I can't wait for tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is day 5 using my Flex. Day 3, I didn't wear it in the daytime because I wanted to make sure I had enough for the weekend because I'm actually here at Turtle Bay on a little family staycation. And so day 1 and 2, we had a beach day and a pool day, and it was great. Day 3 so far, I did not wear it. I did wear it at nighttime, and that was fine. Yesterday was day 4, and we were here, and day 4 didn't go that well for me. I think I did not have it in quite right because there was some leaking and I was pretty self-conscious, so that made me nervous. But today I've had it in for several hours. I want to say close to 3 hours. Been swimming, absolutely no problem, no mess. So today has been great. So far this is still getting 2 thumbs up from me. And I'm now in the part of my cycle where it's quite heavy, and like I said, today has been absolutely no problem. I've been active with my kids in the pool and taking a nap. Now I'm gonna see if I can go the entire day without taking it out or having any problems, and let you know how it goes. This is my date. I've been wearing it for 4 hours already with no problem. I will say, when I did initially put it in, I felt some discomfort. I do have a copper IUD, so I'm not sure if I don't know if that affected it, but I'm fine now. So anyway, we'll see how it goes if we can make it to the nighttime. I am a huge fan. So I think this is a really great option. The only other thing that I would like to try again are the like Thinx underwear, and maybe they make a cup like this that's actually reusable and washable. So some kind of review thoughts. Pros: it lasts a really long time. Like, you don't have to keep changing things like you would with the typical tampons and pads. Like, you could wear it all day depending on your flow. I did have that one day where I had some leakage. I think it's probably because I didn't have it put in correctly, so there is a little bit of a learning curve. That's not a pro, that's a con. But long lasting. I could not feel it when I was wearing it. That was so mind-blowing because it looks huge, right? It looks kind of crazy, but I couldn't feel it at all. So that was awesome. What else? The third pro is that it eliminates waste. You feel cleaner. You just feel cleaner. You can use it at the pool, at the beach. You don't have to have, any mess except for when you clean it. So let's talk a little bit about the cons. If you've never used anything like this or a Diva cup, it might be a little bit shocking at first on removing it and having to see, that mess that comes with it. But it's really simple. Like, I put it in the morning in the shower, and I take it out in the evening in the shower. So there's not a whole lot of transfer. Everything just rinses away. So the other thing that I don't like about it is that it can be kind of uncomfortable to have to insert and remove. It's not sore, it's just kind of a drag, in my opinion. Some people, it may not bother them, but to me, I'm like, ugh, it's a sensitive area. But anyway, to me, it's worth it to be mess-free, worry-free, leak-free. You can go swimming, you can work out. I'm a fan. I've already subscribed to Flex, and I'm not sharing. This is not a paid sponsored ad or anything like that. I just thought I'd share about an option that I think a lot of women would really enjoy. And I think it's more affordable, to be honest. I cannot remember right now how much the subscription is. I think it's maybe $15, but with my subscription, they're gonna send me 2 boxes every 2 months. Nothing is worse than starting your cycle and realize you don't have any feminine hygiene products. That is my review on the Flex Menstrual Disc. I really hope that was helpful. If there's any other questions you guys have, you can drop it in the comments and I'll do my best, or you can message me privately if you don't want to write a comment publicly. I recommend it. I know they have an Instagram account and a website. Or if you've tried like the Thinx underwear, that type of thing, or the reusable cup, I would love to hear about your experience with that. But anyway, thanks so much for tuning in. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, could you please shoot me a thumbs up or subscribe? I hope to be doing more videos very soon. Take care, guys.